As a Komatsu Online Premium account holder, you have the option of bulk uploading a spreadsheet of required parts. You can do this by clicking Upload on the home page, or go to My Cart and click on Import, and click here to download the template. It is important that you download the template, as you'll need to use this file to ensure your parts are uploaded correctly. Once downloaded, fill in the details by simply listing the required part numbers on the first column and the quantity you need for each part on the second column. Then save the document on your device. Click here to browse your file, then click here to upload. If items are superseded, the suggested replacement options will show above the items in your shopping cart. You can click here to add all superseded parts to your cart. Or to add selected parts to your cart, check the box in front of the items and then click Add Selected to Cart. Once you have completed adding all parts into your cart, you can easily download your cart information into a CSV file simply by clicking the Export button here. This is particularly useful if you require additional approval before purchasing, as well as for bookkeeping.